guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like a Halloween type video. I'm actually super excited for this video, guys. So I'm going to be making 2 spooky baskets. I will be making a spooky basket for my boyfriend. So I guess you can say it's kind of like a boo basket, and then I will also be making my coworker a spooky basket as well, which later in the video I'll kind of explain why I'm doing 2. But I have all this stuff here with me and I'm super excited. I thought this would be like a fun video that you guys would love to see me putting the baskets together. So let's just go straight into making the baskets. I hope this setup is good. I hope you guys can see everything clearly. I try to push the camera back a little bit so you guys can see how I'm gonna do it. So I'm gonna start off by showing you guys the baskets that I got. So I got 2 different baskets. This is the first one that I got from my coworker. It's like one of those little candy jars. Not candy jars, those candy buckets. This one is a little white ghost. My coworker's spooky basket's gonna kind of be like ghost inspired, like all white, kind of ghost themed. So that's why I got this bucket. And then for my boyfriend, I got him a bigger bowl and I got him this one. It has a whole bunch of ghosts on it as well and it says boo on it. I thought that was so cute because, you know, I'm doing a boo basket, so it has boo on it. I thought that was super cute. So that's for him, and then this is my coworker's. So I did purchase some of these little decorated shreds I'm going to put on the bottom. And then I also got some of these little spider webs. So I got a plain white spider web, and then I also got this one with little spiders on it. These are super cute to decorate with, so I got those as well. So you guys are probably gonna ask, the reason that I'm actually making a spooky basket for my coworker is because at my job, we're doing kind of like a secret Santa like boo basket thing. So basically we all put our names in a little jar, and then we each selected a coworker and we have to make them a boo basket for $20 and under. So that's why I'm making my coworker one, and then I'm making my boyfriend one just because that's like something I do every year for my boyfriend. So that's why I'm making 2 this year. But let me show you guys the stuff that I got for my coworker to put in her spooky basket. I tried to stick under $20, but you guys know that's so hard to do. So I just try to get a lot of stuff that she will like. So I'm just going to show you guys real quick before I put everything inside. So I got her these little like pumpkin carving set. That was super cute. You can't go wrong with stuff like that. I wanted to get not just like candy and snacks. So I got some other knickknacks. So I got this little notebook that I know she can definitely use at work. These little dog socks. I thought those were super cute. She does love unicorns, so I did get her this little unicorn lotion. And then more Halloween themed stuff. I got her this little candy corn little stick with the pumpkin on top. These little glow-in-the-dark ghost bracelets. I got her some scrunchies because she is girly. And then I also got a little foot mask. I thought you can't go wrong with one of those. And then I got her tons of snacks. So I got her like her favorite drink. I got her chips, like a whole bunch of gummies, guys. Like when I tell you I went all out, like I went all out. I got tons of snacks. And I even found these cute little like sprinkled popcorns. I thought those were super cute. Oh, these were so cute. They're little gummies. I got a little taco gummy, some more gummies, some Pocky sticks because those are bomb. And then the last candy, I think I just got her a chocolate bar. So we'll start off with my coworker. This is her basket. I'm gonna start off with inputting some of these shreds inside the bottom of it. I thought that'd be really cute, and they're kind of like Halloween themed. So I'll be dumping that in there. And I'm gonna kind of mix it around to make it some spacious. So there's my basket. I'm gonna grab some of the spider webs, and I kind of want to put it towards the bottom as well. So I'm gonna kind of lay it out, and I want to put the stuff on top of it. Like that. I'm gonna put stuff in it and then kind of mess around with it more so. So now I have the bag of stuff, so I'm just gonna start sticking stuff in there. So I'm gonna start off with the most heaviest things and like the taller things. So like the drink and some chips. So you always wanna start off with the heavy things in the back. Kind of lay it down. This is really cute, that little pumpkin thing. Her energy drink, I'm gonna put it on the side. That's super cute. Some of her favorite candies. These can definitely go in the back. Her favorite chips, I'm gonna squeeze them right here. And then, let me grab some more stuff. So, and guys, the biggest thing about these baskets is you kind of want to mess with them. So you want to put stuff in, but then move things around. You never want to leave it like how it is. So let's go ahead and do the face mask. the foot mask. This is stick it here. Let things kind of stick out, which is so cute. Let that stick out a little bit. I kind of want to save this for last, actually. Oh, the goldfishies. I don't know how I'm going to squeeze that in there. These little hair ties, scrunchies. So far, this is what it's looking like, guys. I have two of these little chocolate bars that I kind of want to like have them stick out because I think that'd be so cute to have them stick out. This candy thing is gonna go right in the center. And I'm gonna be grabbing some of the spider webs and kind of messing with it and putting it at the top. So I kind of want to wrap it around the basket. And I'm gonna rip some just so. Gonna mess with it. And like all the extra things I'll be putting in the bottom. I want her drink to pop out more. Then, ta-da! That's her basket. It's super cute, just really simple. Let me flip the camera so you guys can kind of see. So this is what the Boo basket looks like after I'm done. I really love the effect of the little spider webs. I think it like just adds it perfectly. So this is what the bottom of the basket looks like. Here is all the stuff inside. Guys, this is so cheap. This is all in total like $20, about $20, $30. You can easily do this for somebody's birthday or like Halloween for your boo thing or whoever. It's honestly such a cute idea and I love how it looks. It's obviously not perfect, but that's super cute. So now that I'm finished with my coworkers, now let's move on to my boyfriend's boo basket. So now that we finished with my coworkers' boo basket, now let's go ahead and do my boyfriend's. So for my boyfriend, his is actually going to be a little bit more difficult just because I do have some pieces of clothing and like bigger things that I'm trying to put inside. So we're going to start off with a little bowl. I'm going to start off by adding these little shreds and we're just going to place it on the bottom of it, just like how I did to the other one. So go ahead and pour it. Guys, look how cute this is. It's like totally Halloween themed. I love it. So with his, I also wanted to add like the Spiderweb Effect, but this one I got for him was with the little spiders on it. So first I'm gonna pour it in there. I'm debating if I should put it on the top or maybe like on the bottom. I think I'm gonna do the bottom just to change things up. So this is what his spider web looks like. That is so cool, guys. So for my boyfriends, I actually think I'm going to use both of them. So I'm going to use this white one and this gray one. The gray one will be for the top of the basket and I'll use this white one for the bottom. This is so cute. So I'm going to put it on the bottom. So yeah, I'll go ahead and put that on the top and then we're going to put stuff in it. That's what it looks like. Now let's grab the heavy stuff. So for my boyfriend, I did get him a sleep mask. I got him a really nice champion hat. I actually need to cut the tag off of that. Some heavy duty work socks. If you guys seen my other haul, you guys probably seen that already. I also got him body washes to put in there as well. So it's all in this reusable bag because they're charging 8 cents now for bags, which is ridiculous, but that's why it's good to use reusable. So I got his favorite candy. My boyfriend loves the Reese's Pieces chocolate, so I got him those. I got him these really cool chips. He's never had these before. I thought those were pretty cool. I got him his favorite cookies. This is so cool, guys. I found these at Ross. These are little Mountain Dew Baja Blast socks. These are so funny. Those were like $4. I got him some Halloween socks. I got my boyfriend, he's currently watching this show. I'm not sure what's it about, so I have no idea. I think it's a show or a movie, I'm not sure. But anyways, I got him this mug. That's what it looks like. And then I also got him a Frankenstein t-shirt. It's so cool, guys. Let me show you what it looks like. I got this at Walmart and I think it was like under $10. So this is what the t-shirt looks like. Just a Frankenstein. Got him that t-shirt. And then gumballs, more chips, and then the gummies. The cute little taco, pizza, and sushi gummies. And for the t-shirt, I want to kind of roll it. So I'm going to fold it and then roll the t-shirt. And I'm just going to roll the t-shirt like that. And so it can kind of be sticking out. Too bad I couldn't show his face. but everybody's kind of sticking out like that. I thought that'd be super cute. So we'll do that. So I think I'm gonna start off with the body washes just because they're the heaviest. I'm gonna grab the work socks and place them kind of in the back. Add the gumballs and the chips. I'm gonna add that kind of in the back. His mug needs to go in the front. So I'm gonna add the mug like that. And then the sleep mask, I'm gonna add in the back like that too. I really hope you guys can see it really good. So it looks like that. Like that. I'm gonna add some chocolate. Is that better, guys? So you can see a little bit better? Okay. So these socks, guys, like how do I put these socks in there? Like, I don't know, should I fold it? I think I'll try to fold them. And then we'll put it, let me see what looks better. Maybe in the front of something, so it's gonna be folded like that. Okay, I hope this is a lot better. So far, I'm just kind of messing around with everything. So this is what the Boo Basket looks like all together for my boyfriend. This is before me putting the spider web, so this is kind of how I organized it. Guys, I definitely put way too much stuff on here, so that's why it looks kind of like too much squished. And this hat, I don't know, I think I like it like that, but I might move it. But this is what it looks like so far. You guys can even see the back of it. There's even more stuff in the back. There's so much stuff in this basket. Okay guys, so now the fun part begins. I'm going to be adding the spider webs with the little spiders. And it's gonna be difficult because I'm like, I don't know how to do it. Okay, so let's go for it. I'm just gonna go for it, guys. I'm literally just gonna go for it. So this is what it looks like all together with all the spider webs. I honestly love it. I love everything about it. I should definitely have done a little card like that said Boo on it, but I love it. So I'm gonna show you guys both of the baskets together now. So here's with both of the baskets together, all finished. I love the Spiderweb effect. I'm in love with it. So here's the white one, the ghost theme, and then here is the Boo Basket for my boyfriend. Super, super cute, guys. This was such a easy thing to do. Honestly, you just have to buy the stuff, put it all together, and add the little spider webs, but I honestly love it. Comment down below which one you guys like better, the Boo Basket or the Ghost Basket, but they're so cute. I love them, and I love that you can't see everything inside. It kind of adds like a cool effect, so I love it. So here is my boyfriend's Boo Basket, and then here is my coworkers. I love them, guys. They turned out so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I gave you some ideas that you might want to do for your spooky basket. If you guys are even doing a spooky basket this year, they're super fun. I love doing baskets like that, and I love it. If you guys had any like ideas too on like what are things that I've kind of done for my spooky baskets, comment them down below. I'd love to read through them. And make sure you guys check out my TikTok. I will be posting a lot of this type of content on my TikTok as well, so I'll probably most likely post a spooky basket on there as well. And then make sure you guys check out my Instagram as well, which I will leave down below. And make sure you guys check out my other videos if you like seeing more videos of me. I want to say thank you for clicking on yet again another one of my videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!